Hello, welcome to another review. This is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds. Do you love nature, especially birds like eagle, parrot, cockatiel, or wild birds? Would you want to know information about birds and would like to buy a field guide so that you can learn more about birds? If you love predatory birds and want to know more information about them, then we have the product for you. We would like you to know about birds of prey of the Northeast. With this field guide, you will have everything you need to learn and identify flying predator birds which are found in Maryland, Maine, and all the states that are in between them. This guide is prepared by Stan Tikela. This item is modeled after the acclaimed line of birds of field guides. This user-friendly book is organized for efficiency and features full-color photographs, GWIS facts, and more. This item is ideal for kids, the library, schools, or for collection. Grab the Birds of Prey of the Northeast today at a very affordable price and see to it that you or your kids will have an informative book about birds. Until next time, this is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds.